So Jill, what's your full name and title?
Jill Teplin, and the director of Baby Ma, which is the brand owner, the custodians of Glitter Friends.
So tell us a bit about Glitter Friends.
Glitter Friends actually started with my partner Elaine's daughter, who had suffered from severe eczema. And we tried many brands that were on the market, and we didn't find anything that really worked. And we worked together with a naturopath, coming together, getting a formula that would help her with her eczema. Because eczema, you cannot really heal eczema, it's all gut related. So with our cream, we help soothe the skin and help new skin. Our barrier cream, which is our hero cream, helps new skin grow underneath and repair itself.
And so you've entered into this Chinese market now through e-commerce. How's that going?
Exciting, very exciting, and we're thrilled to be with Australia Post because we really see the future through Australia Post. They have fantastic strategy in place, which is giving us an edge into this market that nobody else has thought of. And we definitely have to thank the likes of Lincoln with his forethought, and we're very impressed with the direction. Very exciting and very unique.
So it's obviously been a successful expo for you so far?
So far, yes. We're thrilled.
What sort of inquiry are you getting?
We're getting a lot of inquiries from e-commerce companies, different platforms, but also from people who are wanting to stock the product in store. And we can't say any more to that because, yes.
Because of the cross-border rules? Yeah.
No, also because of the direction Australia Post is going with a unique opportunity that they're offering us.
Yes.
And I don't think we should say too much more because it's an IP issue.
Yes.
So until the Australia Post comes out with this new concept, I prefer not to go further.
That's fine. What advice would you give small businesses in Australia who are thinking about, opening the marketplace here in China?
Definitely come with somebody Chinese that understands your company, your direction, and the heart of your brand. It's no good coming here without a proper Chinese-speaking person that understands. I feel very sorry for some of the brands that have come over. They don't understand the culture, they don't speak the language, and it's really a missed opportunity. So I think it's worthwhile, if you're serious about China, employing a Chinese person to help you establish your business here.
That's great, Jill. Thank you. Very, very good. Thank you.